Welcome to Quizzo. Today you will play an exciting quiz where you need to guess the logo sound from some of the world's most popular food brands. Test your memory, challenge your friends, and see how many logos you can recognize just by their sound. Let's start the quiz. Can you guess this first logo? Which logo has this sound? Yes, that is Pepsi. Want to try another one? Which logo plays like this? Correct, that is KFC. Like the video and subscribe the channel. Listen closely to this one. Which logo sound is it? You're right, Doritos. Here comes the next challenge. Which logo do you think this is? Yes, indeed, that is M and Ms. Time for another round. Which logo comes with this sound? Yes, that is Mountain Dew. Moving forward in the quiz, which logo are you hearing now? Yes, that is Domino's. Comment below which one was the hardest for you. Let us see if you know this one. Which logo could this belong to? That is right, Subway. Here's the next audio clue. Which logo goes with this sound? Yes, that is Starbucks. Can you identify this one? Which logo sound do you think it is? You guessed it, McDonald's. On to another challenge. Which logo matches this tune? Yes, that is Coca-Cola. Do you know this one? Which logo sound plays here? You got it, that is Taco Bell. Let us check your ears again. Can you guess the logo sound correctly? Yes, that is Danone. Ready for another clue? Which logo sound is this? Correct. That is Dunkin' Donuts. Listen carefully again. Which logo do you think this is from? Yes, indeed, that is Oreo. Next one is coming your way. Which logo sound do you recognize here? Yes, that is Chupa Chups. Let us continue with another. Which logo has this audio identity? You got it, Pillsbury. Here comes another logo sound. Can you guess the logo sound right now? Yes, that is Fanta. Can you identify this audio? Which logo sound is it now? You're right, that is Pringles. Challenge is still on. Which logo plays this sound? Yes, that is Wendy's. Last one in this quiz. Can you guess the logo sound for this? Correct. That is Pizza Hut. That was an amazing round of Guess the Food Brand by logo sound. How many brands did you get correct? Comment your score below. Do not forget to like the video, subscribe to Quizzo, and hit the bell icon for more fun quiz challenges coming your way.